In this video, we will review the high-level features of the Python programming language. Python is a powerful language. It's by far the most popular programming language for data science. Hello, my name is Anand Thirumanur. If you stumbled upon this video, you must be curious about data science. And you are in the right place. If you follow the Top Tech Gurus channel, YouTube is offering to send more data science videos to you. In this channel, we'll introduce a comprehensive list of tasks a data scientist needs to perform, and we'll be providing hands-on training on programming languages. Example, SQL, Python, R, data science tools like Keras, TensorFlow, Amazon SageMaker, Hadoop, Spark, and Airflow. Everything here is for free. We also help with placement assistance for a small fee. And if you have lost your job during the COVID pandemic, this is completely free. Coming back to Python. According to the 2019 Kaggle Data Science and Machine Learning Survey, 75% of over 10,000 respondents from around the world reported that they use Python on a regular basis. Glassdoor reported that in 2019, more than 75% of data science positions listed included Python in their job descriptions. When asked which language an aspiring data scientist should learn first, most data scientists say Python. You're probably thinking, why on earth is Python so popular? Well, let's start with the people who use Python. If you already know how to program, then Python is great for you because it uses clear, readable syntax. You can do many of the things you're used to doing in other programming languages, but with Python you can do it with less code. If you want to learn to program, it's also a great starter language because of the huge global community and wealth of documentation. In fact, several different surveys in 2019 found that over 80% of data professionals worldwide use Python. Python is useful for many situations, including data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, IoT devices like the Raspberry Pi. I'm hesitant to call Python my favorite programming language. There are other languages I find more pleasant, better designed, or just more fun to code in. And yet, pretty much every time I start a new data science project, I end up using Python. Every time I need to quickly prototype something that just works, I end up using Python. And every time I want to demonstrate data science concepts in a clear, easy to understand way, I end up using Python. Large organizations that use Python heavily include Wikipedia, Google, Yahoo, IBM, CERN, NASA, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, Spotify, and Reddit. Python is a powerful high-level general-purpose programming language that can do a lot of things. The Python standard library can work with databases similar to Java, C++, C#, etc. Do you need to scrape the web? You would probably choose either JavaScript or Python. If you work on image processing, Python has you covered there as well. It is one of the best languages for text processing capabilities. When it comes to automation and IoT devices, Python is a top programming language as well. Where it stands apart is in data science, machine learning, and data analytics. For data science, you can use Python's scientific computing libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. For artificial intelligence, it has TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and scikit-learn. Python can also be used for natural language processing using the Natural Language Toolkit or NLTK. There are also communities like PyLadies that help with the popularity of Python. PyLadies is an international mentorship group with a focus on helping more women become active participants and leaders in the Python open source community. In the next video, we'll cover R programming and why that has been widely used in the data science community as well. We are very happy to have you with us as you start your data science journey. If you have any trouble with any of the course materials, please don't hesitate to contact us. Let's get learning with Top Tech Gurus.